Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a OpenClaw skill, which is called Agent Rich. So this is a agent uses OpenClaw as a framework to help the users to see the entire internet, read and research, Twitter, Reddit, so on and so forth. So you can see from the community, so it's already 6K stars almost in a week. So it's a very new project, and since the community really likes it, so this project is actually really simple, but it's very helpful. So it's a sort of like a framework to help people to build skills. So you'll see how that works in a little bit, but basically you can write a skill similar to what Agent Reach does. So it set up a script to help you install everything that you need for your daily work, and then in OpenClaw it helps you to automate it. So which means that you can set up all these different platforms, APIs like Twitter, Reddit, GitHub, so on and so forth, and then you can just use OpenClaw to call that skill so that you can automate everything. So beyond the Agent Reach, you can actually build a lot more skills the same way. So it helps to use OpenClaw to automate your daily routine. So that said, let's get started. So if you have not installed OpenClaw on the Kaggle notebook or local machines, feel free to check out the other videos to how to install OpenClaw. So we have set up everything on Kaggle Visual Studio. So if you have not seen my previous video to how to install Visual Studio on Kaggle, feel free to check out the link in the video description. So we already set everything up, and so before we go into the details of how to install this new OpenClaw skill, so first we have to update some of the configurations for OpenClaw. So I think OpenClaw has been updated quite frequently, and to upgrade OpenClaw, you have to reset, maybe reconfigure some of the configurations here. So in this tutorial, we're going to use the open source models with Ollama Cloud. So instead of using the local installed Ollama instances like we demoed in the previous videos, we're going to install just use the Ollama Cloud. So, and you can see here, there's the Ollama.com base URL. You can get your API key here, and also we're going to remove that key after the demo, and API is Ollama. So it's quite different than the API, OpenAI compatible API. So you can see the API configuration is different. The model we're going to use Minimax M2.5. So in the Ollama Cloud, you can choose really premium open source models. So like Qwen 3.5 or Minimax or other models. So it's very nice. And you can check out the usage in these cloud usage on Ollama.com. So just feel free to check out your usage while you use OpenClaw, because I think it still needs a lot of tokens. And then other than that, you have to configure the agent section. So because agents haven't been updated, so that you can set the sandbox to mode equals to off. So your testing, you just set it to off. It's easier. Scope is agent. Also, you can set up the tools, which allows read, write, edit, apply, patch, execute, and grouped file systems. So this will allow agent to read local files, write local files, and all that features. So that should be it. So this is basically the upgrade for OpenClaw. So let's continue with the Agent Reach installation and testing. So after you be able to get OpenClaw running on a instance, so you can then start the gateway. So if you want to install the Agent Reach, it's actually really simple. So you can let the agent to just read through this file. So according to the documentation, so you can just say, please install the skill, and that's it. So this is how you actually install the skill. So it installs everything, and basically write everything, every step inside this one file. The agent will install everything. And also, if you want to update the skill, then you could just use this update readme file, so like update document. Then you can ask the OpenClaw agent to just update the skill. So it's quite different than the traditional install and remove. So it's just documentation. You can do anything with the OpenClaw. So very cool. And so that's very good adoption of this OpenClaw strategy. So very good usage of it. So you can see from the community, they really like the way that how this is got installed. And then if you want to manually install the agent rich, you can just first you have to upgrade the Node.js. So even you use the documentation to install it, you still need to upgrade the npm if you use the Kaggle instance. So use Kaggle notebooks because Kaggle's Node.js is a little bit outdated, so you have to upgrade to the latest one. And also, you can install the agent rich using the pip install. Go to this zip file, then you can install that. And then after that, you can install all these dependencies that is required by the skill. So just do npm install for, let's for example, MC Porter. And this is basically for all your MCP servers. Then you can install the GitHub. And also make sure if you want to use GitHub as a feature, do you want to add the GitHub login or maybe GitHub keys. And then you can also install the Twitter API, so Twitter CLI. And then they have different documentation for how to use Xrich, like the cookies. You can use that, but in this demo, we're not gonna demo the Twitter rich. So, but they all support it. And also, if you want to add more, you can just follow the strategies that documented in this GitHub project. Use that strategy to add more tools that you use every day or once in a while. So in this case, we can add the EXA for the search. So you can also use Brave Search or you can use DDG. Doesn't matter, but you can add that skill in the skill. So basically add everything that you need in the skill so that you can see when a skill is installed, you can document everything in the skills markdown file. So like this. So for example, if you have installed EXA, then you can just add the EXA documentation to the skill. That should be it. So then you can use OpenClaw to call it. And this is just set up the dependencies so the skills know this is sort of like documented. So the skill basically document everything that's been installed so that the OpenClaw agent can call it. And then you can also configure the proxy. If you have a proxy, you can do that. They recommend it for web share, so it's very economic. So then you can just use web share's proxy. If you want to set up a proxy to read the Twitter or to read the Reddit or some other platforms, cookie-based platforms. And if you want to set up more tools, you can just use agent-rich.setup. And after everything is set up, then you can just also use the agent-rich install or agent-rich doctor to basically install everything for using that script to install everything, and also use the doctor to basically diagnose it. For example, also if you want to configure some of the cookies, you can just use this agent-rich command to actually configure all these different cookies and also the proxies that we mentioned earlier. So that should be it. So that's how you actually install the agent rich. So it's very popular. And if you want to test it out, you can just go to OpenClaw and go to the CLI. Basically go to this terminal to basically go to the OpenClaw TUI, which is the terminal UI, to test it out. So in this case, you can see that we're going to use the Ollama cloud, Minimax M2.5 cloud. So you can see we just tried a few things. For example, we tried to ask them hello, and also can search for 5 latest topics on technology. So it did search that, and so we also ask what skills do you have. Again, they basically listed all the skills. So then what search engine do you use by default? So it says it cannot use the EXA, but they actually return some errors, and then I asked them, can you check out the skills to learn how to use that? So the agent learned the skill, so basically they fixed, so then they can use the MCP server for the EXA to search the internet. So it's really, really cool. So, and there you can ask any questions that you documented in the skill or that you installed as an skill dependency. So, and then for example, you can also summarize the article on internet. So it will summarize everything. For example, you ask summarize this installation script, it summarized everything. So super nice. So that should be it. So this is how we actually use the agent skill to see the entire internet, read and search Twitter, Reddit, so on and so forth. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.